Are you tired of dragging yourself through the day? The secret to unlocking a reservoir of energy lies not in caffeine, but in the simple yet powerful act of stretching. Stretching is more than just a prelude to exercise. It's a vital practice that invigorates both body and mind. When you stretch, you increase blood flow to your muscles, which enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery. This process can elevate your energy levels, making you feel more alert and ready to tackle the day. Additionally, stretching helps to alleviate tension built up from prolonged sitting or standing, often leading to a sense of liberation and relief. Through various stretches, you can target specific muscle groups that may be tight from daily activities, promoting flexibility and reducing stiffness. Incorporating a few minutes of stretching into your morning routine can set a positive tone for the day, helping you to feel more energized and focused. Furthermore, taking short stretching breaks throughout your day can combat fatigue and mental fog, allowing you to maintain productivity. Embrace the transformative effects of stretching and watch as your energy levels soar, paving the way for a more vibrant, productive day ahead.